Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you really had a good and nice weekend, right? So we are not posting any videos for the weekend. That is because I really don't want to disturb you. Whatever happens in the market, let it happen. We'll see, we'll take some rest, we'll have some valuable time with our family. So I've kind of not stopped. We'll post some videos in the weekends also in the coming days. In the meantime, I also want to talk about before going into the market, or let's say before talking briefly about the market, I want to talk about FinGrid. That's a website. This website is called Fingrad.com. I will leave the link in the description below. That is joinfingrad.com. So it has various courses or programs or webinars regarding stock market, say it investing, trading, mutual fund, personal finance, cryptocurrency, commodity, fundamental analysis, you name it, and it is available in fingrad.com. Even we have posted, or we have done a webinar in FinGrid, one of our courses. In fact, our courses, my course or our course is the top selling course in FinGrid platform. That's why they put it on the first place, right? So if you are aware of FinGrid, or if you want to just look around FinGrid, you can go and look FinGrid, what is happening, and I'll leave the link in the description below, right? So coming back to the markets, oh my god, markets are super volatile, right? Like, see, I'll tell you what is happening. Like, I feel like India VIX, if you see India VIX today, I think it is around 14 or 14.5, but still it is more, India Nifty or Bank Nifty is moving like it is around 20 or 25. If you are having the same experience, let me know on the description, not in the description, let me know on the comment section below. So what I was seeing today was today morning we took some trade in not today, last Friday we took some trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and look at the way this Bank Nifty is moving. Like, it didn't gap up, or it opened flat only. From 42,350 it went all the way to 42,700, then came back to 42,354, then it settled somewhere around 42,626. Now this 42,500 was a crucial support for resistance for Bank Nifty, and in fact today Bank Nifty closed above 42,500. And when it comes to Nifty, oh boy, Nifty was even more volatile. I thought, I know many traders, or I know a guy who's famous YouTuber. He lost heavy in today's intraday trading. So he's into intraday trading and algo trading. Talking about the algo, we'll also talk about our algo, how it has performed. Don't worry about that. So if you see Bank Nifty was gapping. In fact, it gapped up around 120 points. From 18,000 levels, it went all the way to 18,150, 140 levels, then came back to below 18,000, then settled around 18,100. So Nifty alone has moved more than 300 plus points, and Bank Nifty, not to mention Bank Nifty, has moved more than 500 or 600 points in spite of India VIX being very low. I think India VIX is around 14.65, and in fact today India VIX has dropped 2.53%. So this is a weird scenario. What will happen, or what is happening, is that you are not getting the premiums. Premiums are ultra cheap because of India VIX is very low, and market moving like this, making two-way, three-way move is something I feel very uncomfortable, and you find it very hard to trade in weekly options. That's why we have moved some of our trades. Not some of our trades, maybe 50 to 60% of our trades to monthly options, right? So at least we get premiums there. You see, India VIX is low and market moving, making two-way, three-way move. You are not finding premium. And remember, whenever you make adjustment, the probability of winning the trade or the profit which you might have anticipated reduces each and every time you make adjustment in an option, in a weekly option. I'm talking about weekly option. Your profit is going to be less, and I'm sure you will be aware of that, right? So this is a very hard thing which we are finding nowadays. We thought that 2022 was very hard, and 2023 is even more hard. and that too in the start of the year, February 1st. We don't know what is going to happen. There is going to be a budget, the Government of India budget. So let's see how things pan out. And talking about our Quantmann app, this Algo trade, as of now, it has given a profit of 10,632 rupees. So this is the 5th day. So we started on 2nd of January. Friday, fortunately, we didn't trade. Had we traded on that day, it would have been a very big loss. We didn't trade on that day. So 9th January today we have traded, and as of now it has given a profit of around 10,632. See, I'll tell you something, why we have to do this or why we have to show, and many people think I am trying to promote these people or I am trying to promote application. No, I am not trying to do anything as such. What I'm trying to do is maybe you don't have the opportunity or you don't have the facility or whatsoever to do these kind of backtesting strategies. I am doing on behalf of you. Of course, I'm going to tell what is going to be the strategy. We have told many strategies, we have told many adjustments. In fact, you can go any YouTube channel, you can go and check any YouTube channel. Nobody has talked so extensively about adjustment. I think we have done a very good job when it comes to adjustment. In fact, we have a complete playlist with adjustment. Not only that, we have a very vibrant Telegram group. People discuss many things about adjustment, option selling. So if you want, you can join, for which the link is on the description below, right? So we are doing all this for your sake, right? Whether I am making money or not, that is secondary, right? The primary objective is to tell you something. This is possible, what is not possible, so that you can tweak it, or you can tweak it, you can change the way it works, so on and so forth. That's why we are trying to do something, right? So make sure you come every day and stream the video and see what is happening in terms of Algo trading, so that end of this January series, you will know what is going to happen, and I'll reveal the strategy. This is not a rocket science strategy. I will reveal the strategy also, and you can tweak it, or if you want, we'll put it in the marketplace also. You can live test this and run this, or you can even paper trade for more 2 or 3 months, right? See, I'm not going to say this is going to give you 100% result. No, it is not going to give you any backtesting strategy. If you do a backtesting and if it is giving a result, you do the same strategy on live market, you are not going to get the result which you got in backtesting. But what I'm trying to say is, maybe if you are getting if you are making 100% in backtesting, maybe you will make 70% or 60% and 50% in live market, right? Because there are many things comes around when it comes to live market. Like you have emotional issues, you have your API data, like your stop loss might not be triggered. So lots of issues are there when it comes to live trading. That's why I'm saying maybe 50 to 60 to 70, or let's say 70% of time you will win when you compare it with backtesting, right? So otherwise, if you see other things in the market, I don't think FII data has come. I'm sure if FII data has not yet come, let me check one more time. Yeah, I'm sure it has not yet come. Yeah, I think it has come, and DIs have bought for 1,723 crores, and FIIs have sold for around 203 crores. This is the scenario when it comes to budget. Before budget, this is the thing which happens. DIs usually buy before budget, before local event, and FIIs are kind of inactive. I'm sure they would have come now from vacation. If you see Western countries, everyone would have gone for Christmas, New Year holidays, and they would have come to office by now. Already it is 10th now, way back they would have come. Anyway, this is how the markets are looking like. We expect Bank Nifty to move towards 43,000 and even Nifty to go towards 18,200, 18,300 and 18,400. When it comes to support, I think Bank Nifty is 18,000 is a very, very strong support. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, Yeah, when it comes to Bank Nifty, I think 42,500 is a strong support unless until there is a very bad negative news, right? So that's it for today's. Please tune in or please stream daily so that we give you lots of information about stock market, particularly option selling. That's it for today. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.